Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best mosquito net for beds that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the TIMBUKTOO mosquito nets. TIMBUKTOO mosquito nets stand to be the top best nets that all customers love. It is a comfortable king-size mosquito net that fits all bed size. You can use it to covers both single and double bed sizes. Its fabric material is light and soft with tiny holes. The 2 openings on each side make it convenient for you and your bedmate. You do not have to wake up them in case you are up, and you want to get out of bed. It is the only mosquito net with an internal loop with a carabiner. You can hang your fan or lamp, so that you do not have to get out of the bed to turn on or switch off the lights. You can as well hang the baby's mobile in the loop. Apart from using it over the bed, you can also use it to tent your sleeping bag, hammock. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Even Naturals Premium Mosquito Net. Even Naturals brand is known for producing the best mosquito nets at an affordable price. The nets put your safety and comfort as priorities. It is ideal and perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The net is lightweight, thus you can carry it to wherever place you wish. The polyester material of the net is soft but durable. The fabric mesh is extra soft and acts as a mosquito repellent. It ensures proper and even air circulation. The net prevents even the smallest bug from eating you alive. It is big enough to cover any bed size. Premium mosquito net has 2 openings for convenient entrance and exit. It comes with a free hanging kit with all that you need for proper setup. The ebook included has numerous tips important for the net user. The net is machine washable. It guarantees you maximum satisfaction and risk-free use. Buy it and have a new great rest experience. At number 3, we have the Abco Tech Mosquito Netting. Get comfortable sleep and effective protection with Abco Tech Mosquito Net. It is an extra long conical-shaped net of 87 inches high. The tiny holes of the net prevent up to the smallest mosquito from sneaking into your domain. You will surely have a good sleep with no interruptions and irritations. It will entirely cover any bed size from small to large size beds. The net is ideal for indoor and outdoor use. It is a must to have to bed, especially when traveling to the tropics. The compact design and portability of this net make it super incredible. The built-in sturdy ring holds the net in place with no sagging corner. The ring helps to fold the net flat for easy packing and storage. Its flat opening makes it easy to get in and out of your bed. The single hanging point ensures hassle-free installation of the net. The multi-filament polyester material of this net is durable. It is also eco-friendly and safe, unlike most chemical-treated nets. Abco Tech Net meets all the safety requirements. This net is stretchy but strong with reinforcement on the edges. Its unique features ensure maximum resistance against bursting. At number 2, we have the Mosquito Net by Just Relax. Just Relax Mosquito Net is what we all need for ultimate protection. It keeps away all the mosquitoes and bugs from getting into your bed. Just Relax Mosquito Net, the most spacious and elite on the market today. You can fit the bottom end into your bed to keep the barrier to any intruding mosquitoes. It is the eco-friendly net that offers natural and safe sleep for you and your family. Forget about the use of pesticides, which are in turn harmful to your health. The sturdy polyester fabric material of the net is entirely stretchy. It offers medium resistance on pulling. Its beautiful design provides an elegant drape canopy over your sleeping mat. Also, it enhances your bedroom decor. In fact, you only need this type of a net to change the look of your bedroom. Installing this net is a breeze. In just a few minutes your bed is ready to sleep on. The package includes all the accessories you need for easy setup. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mosquito Net for single to king-size beds. Say no to pests, bites and irritations by purchasing Universal Backpackers Mosquito Net. It keeps all the insects and vermin at bay. The best net for a good night rest. It is all safe and fits any bed size well. Its canopy bottom design ensures that not a single mosquito touch or bites you. These nets' material is the best. It is of durable polyester with elastic loops. The net remains intact even when one pulls it down accidentally. It weighs 0.8 pounds only, thus portable. The quality carry bag ensures that you carry and store your net effortlessly. With the hanging kit included, you can set up your mosquito net in just seconds. Universal backpack.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.